Good morning, students. It's me Sudarshan sir. Today we are going to see computer science chapter 2. Take your book and pencil. Okay, but one thing, from this chapter it is fully practical. I can explain only few things because I can't explain everything, because from this chapter mostly all other chapters are practically oriented. Okay, so it cannot be explained in this video. For that I will show you other YouTube videos. I will send you the link. You just click on that link. In that link they could have explained clearly. I will send you those links. You just follow that link. That is much more enough. Okay. See, now today we are going to see about Windows 7. Your unit is Windows 7, but I don't have Windows 7. This is Windows 8.1. This is Windows 8.1. Okay. So Windows 7 cannot be explained in Windows 8.1. I can explain few things. Okay, since I started the video, I can explain few things. Okay, I will explain that, then I'll send you the link. You just go through that link. Okay, customizing your desktop. Okay, customizing your desktop can be done here, right? Even if it is Windows 8, it can be done here. So I'll explain those things alone. Okay. Customizing your desktop. When you switch on your computer after the booting, when you switch on the computer, what happens? That booting process happens, right? Okay. After the booting process means that switching on process. That Windows logo and all will come, then finally it will open like this. Okay, after the booting process, the first screen you see is desktop. This is the first screen. This screen is known as desktop screen. Either it will be like that, else it will be like this. Okay, actually if you click this, it will go into this. This is called desktop. In Windows 7, if you open directly, it will go here only. Okay, since it is in Windows 8, it will come like this, but in Windows 7 it will be like this only. Okay, you can see many icons that have graphics in your computer. See, you can see many icons. These are graphical icons. Okay, because these are graphics only now. All these are graphics only now. Okay, graphics on the desktop. Frequently used icons are mostly stored in the desktop. What type of icons are mostly stored? See, Google Chrome, frequently we are using. Antivirus, McAfee, frequently we are using. Okay, so what it comes to say? Frequently used icons are mostly stored in desktop. Okay, you can open it by double clicking it. Can you open by double clicking it? Yeah, if you double click, it will open. That's all, the work is over. Okay, arranging your desktop according to your need is called customizing your desktop. See, if you want this Google Chrome in the top, if you want that Zoom in the next, if you want that WhatsApp in the next, so is it easy to do that? Yeah, it is very easy to do that. Okay, but this arrangement, you are arranging according to your need. No, that is called personalizing or customizing. That is called either personalizing or customizing. Okay, arranging your desktop according to your need is called customizing your desktop or personalizing your desktop. Okay. A new folder can be created in a desktop. This is a main thing, so I will explain this. A new folder can be created in a desktop. How will you create? Click on an empty space in a desktop. Don't click on any icons. Click on the empty space in a desktop. Okay, and then right click. You should right click on the desktop using select new. Select this option new. Okay, select this option new. If you right click, there will be list of option. In that, select the option new. Okay, then select folder. So a new folder will be created in a desktop. If you want to change the name of that folder, you can change it in accordance to your wish. Okay, that's it, student. Okay, this is called customizing the desktop. Okay, so customizing or personalizing your own desktop. Okay, next they have explained about Windows Explorer, Windows Explorer can be explained in Windows 8 also, but it will not be accurate. Few things will be different from Windows 7 and Windows 8. So for this I will send a link. And see, managing shortcuts, Windows Explorer, see again they have explained about Windows Explorer, managing disk management, all those things. It is not personalizing your desktop. See, this personalizing your desktop, this is Windows 8 and that is Windows 7. Few things will be different from Windows 8 and Windows 7. So better I will do one thing. I will send you the YouTube link. You go through that, because that is practically oriented. It cannot be explained theoretically. And one more thing, this is Windows 8. What I have is Windows 8, and what in your book you have is Windows 7. Okay, so just follow the link which I sent to you, and you will gather all your information. Finally I will give you the book back answer. Just write it. That's all, students. Okay, I will send you the link after this video. You go to that link and see that. Okay, students.